नमस्कार, द वॉयसाच्या या खाशेल्या ग्राउंड रिपोर्टान तुमकां सगळ्यांक माई मोगाचो येवकार. आयज आमी आयल्या गोंयच्या दक्षिणे कडेन, दक्षिणेच्या दर्यावेळे कडेन, आनी आमी आसात सध्या झालोर बिचार, जो वार्का आनी केळशे हाच्या मदीं पडटा. आणि आमी हांगा एकंदर दक्षिण गोंयांत आमी म्हणटात की दक्षिण गोंय खूप थंड, जो डेव्हलपमेंट, जे उदरगतीची भाशा आमी पुराय गोंयांत आयकतात, ती तशी पळोवंक गेल्यार दक्षिण गोंयांत आमकां त्या मनान थोडीशी कमी दिसता. पूण दक्षिण गोंय आनी खास करून दक्षिण गोंयची दर्यावेळ, हांगचे जे बीचीस आसा, हांगची जी सी सायड आसा, ही आता बदलता काय कितें? हांगाय बी आता ह्या उदरगतीचे वारे व्हांवपाक लागला काय कितें? आनी हांगच्या लोकांक मुळात ते जाय काय कितें हें जाणून घेवपाक आमी हांगा आयल्यात. आणि आमच्या सांगातान हांगा आसात हांगचे एक तरणाटे आमचे एक्टिविस्ट फ्रेंड सोहेल फुर्तादो. सोहेल, येवकार तुका, वेलकम टू यू. सो जशें हांवें म्हळें की दक्षिण गोंयची जी दर्यावेळ आसा ती सदांच आमी पीसफूल म्हणत आयल्यात आनी थंड, आनी हांगचे लोकूय बी, म्हणजे इफ वी कंपेर टू द नॉर्थ वी से दी कंपॅरेटिव्हली हांगा मातशें वेगळें दिसता. पूण एकंदर आता साऊथ गोवाची दर्यावेळ किंवा हांगचो जो उदरगत आसा किंवा हांगाचे डेव्हलपमेंटाचे वारे आसा ते आता बदलपाक लागला काय कितें? हांगाय बी ते वारे व्हांवपाक लागला काय कितें? आनी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन इज व्हॉट इज द सेन्स ऑफ पीपल हियर? हांगा जे लोक रावतात तांकां हे सगळें जाय काय कितें? दिस इज द मेन क्वेश्चन दॅट वी वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू टुडे.
ओके, सो हय आतां आमगे दक्षिण गोंयचो वो लायक यू मेन्शन्ड सी सायड, it is developing, and as you mentioned, South Goa was known to be peaceful. Aaj tari it is still peaceful. Only issue is that we are seeing that change, and we are seeing the same change that the north has already experienced. Amka dishti pota amge North Goa kit jalte case study aha popa jata tinga, and lot of places in the north don't feel like Goa anymore. And we can see that full thing coming now down south. The people over here are not happy with what is happening. A lot of our beaches are being destroyed, as we mentioned, since we come to this beach also. Over here itself, there's a dune that has been destroyed, sand dunes. We are losing sand dunes left, right, and center. Encroachments into CRZ areas. And all this is being done for the benefit of a few, while the locals are going to suffer. A lot of these projects that are coming up are resort projects, and they keep saying that Baba tumk fayda metalo. But am kai fayda medpa na resortache. Actually, just few months ago we took one of the resorts because they were dumping sewage in the nalla. Amge nalla bitor sewage dump kotalo. Mage dusre aha fayda hunch fayda meta amka. ते जॉब्स आमकां मेळना, लोकल्साक कांय जॉब्स मेळना. मेट जाल्यार पागार कितू 10,000 15,000 तशें दिता. They prefer getting the labor from outside because they are ready to work for that. And I'm not saying that there are no higher jobs, but there are the higher jobs, GM post aha, top HR post सगळे आहाय, पण तितू ते those jobs are not being given to our locals. So where is the fayda? Now even the taxis, now this is a bit of a sensitive issue, but amge zaite locals ahay, especially in our constituency over here, Benauli, zaite locals ahay who are earning their living on these taxis. Even our taxi cars are being harassed at these hotels, where they've been asked to they asked for their taxis to be put up in the hotels. Those hotels came in the areas where their traditional occupation was, and since they lost their traditional occupation, now they got to put taxis over there. Toripon, they're not getting the business over there. So for whom? Who's getting the fayda? People are coming from outside. The money is also not staying in the state. These businesses are sending the money out. Second, there is development of all the these buildings that are coming up. A lot of buildings are coming up all over, not only by the CRZ but all over the area over here. Now again, for whom is the benefit? It's not that it's housing for the locals. Most of these people are picking up these houses as a second home for them, holiday home. Nazala Airbnb angata. Okay, do your Airbnb, but what is the benefit? Most of these people are filling fields, destroying our land. मागीर त्रास आमकां न्हू. ह्या दे ड्युरिंग द सीजन तेन्ना बरें सगळें बरें चलता. पावस येता तेन्ना आमकां त्रास न्हू. They fill the fields. We have to face all the flooding. So who is it? It's the benefit only for the politicians who collect the bags when those constructions are being passed, and the builders, and the people who are doing the business over there.
Shoaib will talk about the carrying capacity of the village and also like you said की एका तरेन हे एक बर्डन आणि जे
हय.
लोक हांगा येतात ते मागीर परत ते हांगा रावतले ते आपली घरां बांदतले किंवा तांकां हांगा रावपाक कितें तरी फेसिलिटी तयार करची पडटली सो ते एडिशनल म्हणजे एका तरेन बर्डन विलेजीचेर बट जशें तुवें आतां म्हळें की हांगा सँड ड्यून्स डिस्ट्रॉय जाता
हय.
सो जस्ट वॉक अस थ्रू एक्झॅक्टली वॉट इज हॅपनिंग हियर हांगा कितें
Yes.
चल्लां म्हणटा ते आणि वाय रियली वी नीड टू प्रिझर्व दिस सँड ड्यून्स बिकॉज आय एम शुअर मेनी पीपल डोंट नो वॉट आर सँड ड्यून्स
हा.
आणि वाय दीस सँड ड्यून्स आर इम्पॉर्टंट कारण कोणी म्हणपाक शकता की आमकां कितें गरज आसा
हय,
काय म्हणून
सारकें.
सो कितें एक्झॅक्टली जाता ते पळोवया
हय.
आणि देन यू कॅन जस्ट एक्सप्लेन अस वॉट एक्झॅक्टली इज द नीड अँड यू नो गरज कितें हे सँड ड्यून्स प्रिझर्व करपाची
बरें. Okay, आता आम्ही जालोर at the Zalor beach, and this was a place November Munya where one dune was cut over here, and you can see also very clearly that this dune was of that height, आणि एक JCB लावन ते flat केल तेमी. It was stopped by us. If we didn't get the information and come here to stop this full dune that you see over here would have been destroyed. आणि कितें जालें फाटी थिंगा they built a 10-meter road. They built a 10-meter road, and in some places it is 15-meter road. Permission gain asthana, they put a JCB in CRZ area and built this road. They've cut trees, more than 40 trees. Forest and ek inspection kelo, and they've ascertained that 40 trees or something has been cut. Secondly, even CRZ has said that the dune has been damaged. Now, if you see over here, they said the culprits, ते कित म्हणटाय वो रस्तो रामपणकारा लागून बांदिला आमी. But 500 meters away is already an existing road with tar सगळे आहा. But some people wanted it still. You can very clearly see that even right now, this road, anta thode paus polo, but before that also in the scorching heat, I'd come here once to check. You can see that there's all सगळे jila आहा थिंगा. So it's very clear that no one is using this route. anta हो रस्तो कित्या बांदला तमे? एक साइडी न्यूसाचे येलो that the Hilton wants to come up over here, one resort. Dusra side is one politician from Bihar over there. They've bought this property and they want to put a resort over there. Doni side resort plans ahat tek lagun this road was built, and they've been using the Ramponkar, saying that not using rather beste loka photo pa te mutai Ramponkara lagun rosto bandila inga.
आमच्या बरोबर आता आसा शेल्टनबाब फर्नांडीस ते केळशीचे लोकल त्यांची फॅमिली ट्रेडिशनल रापणकारांची तेय बी हे प्रोफेशन मुखार व्हरतात आणि आम्ही आता एकंदर हांगा पळयले कशे तरेन हांगा ब्रेझन म्हणटा तशे सँड ड्यून्स मोडिल्ले आसात आणि कशे तरेचे इलिगॅलिटीज चालू आसा. शेल्टनबाब ज्या तरेन म्हणजे आम्ही पळयले की बिचाक कितले लागीं आसा ही प्रॉपर्टी आणि कशे तरेन हांगा जेसीबी हाडून तांणी इलिगॅलिटीज केल्या. सो हे जे ब्रेझन इलिगॅलिटीज चालू आसा तांकां कोणाचोच भंय ना काय कितें म्हणजे ज्या तरेन ते करतात त्या तरेन आर देर एनी चेक्स अँड बॅलन्सेस हॅपनिंग ऑन द सी ऑर दर्यावेळेर आमच्या खास करून साऊथ गोंयान?
सगळे म्हणतात साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रॅक्शन पावल ना. तुवें काल प्रेसाचेर चोयला आसतलें इट इज ऑलरेडी हियर पयलीं सद्या. सो हांव कितें म्हणटा हिंगा आमी इतल्यो कंप्लेन करताय सगळे म्हणटा सिस्टम इज करप्ट. हो सिस्टम हितून करप्ट आहा हितून डिपार्टमेंटा वयताय कांयच एक्शन जायना. ताका लागून आम कितें आहा तें आमकां करूंक पडटा सांबाळपाक. आतां तुवें आमगे कावलेसीन चोयलां आसतलें इच एंड एवरी डे एक कितें कितें गजाल येता. इट इज व्हेरी बॅड इम्प्रेशन फॉर आवर विलेज. हें आमकां लॉस दिसता बट आय एक्सपोज दीस. लोकांनी हे रॉंग जे आमचे लिडर्स आसात ते न्हू लोकांक रॉंग गायड कोताय, मिसगायड कोताय आनी ते लोकांक अशें करून लोकां भितर भंय घालपाक सोदताय. तुमची घरां CRZ आहाय फिशरमॅनाची ती मोडटले, तुमी तेंचे बारा भोंवनाकाय, तुमी कंप्लेन कोनाकाय, हे लोकांक सारके तशें दवरून सोदतात. आनी फाटल्या दिसां तुवें चोयलां आसतलें इतली रॉ सिवेज ती आमच्या दोयऱ्यां सोडटात आनी आमी रापणकार, म्हजो फादर, म्हजो ग्रँडफादर आनी हांव ते बिझनस कंटिन्यू जाता. सो असो पोल्युटेड वॉटरान वचप म्हणजे इट इज व्हेरी रिस्क फॉर अस. कितलीं दुयेंसां जातात कितें हाटलेस ऐकल्या की बोट कातलें इन्फेक्शन जायन हे आमकां जालोलें नाका तेका लागून आमी हेजेर सारको निशेध मारतात की हे सगळें पोल्यूट वॉटर आनी आख्खे हॉटेलां सोडटात इतलें ते जोडटात पूण कितें ही सिवरेज आहा ती हिंगा सोडटा हांव म्हणटा तुमी टँकरां मदूं तूं मोराय आम कोणा बिजनसाचे आड नाय तुमी पोट भोताय आमी पोट भोताय सगळ्यांक पिसफुली बिजनस करून दिया गांवांक बट इन अ गुड मॅनर नॉट इन अ बॅड मॅनर नॉट लायक दॅट बाय कटिंग सँड दिवन आनी भाटां इंकून this is all brokers the leaders are become broker itself जाल्यार आम आनी कितें करपाचें बारीक मनशां न्हू बिजनस गांव सोडून वचपाचो हिंगा आनी खूंय सेटल रावपाचें दोंगराचेरी
आणि जेन्ना जेन्ना तांकां धरतात किंवा जेन्ना जेन्ना तांकां प्रश्न विचारतात तांचो एक हे आसता की ना आमी रापणकारा खातीर रस्ते बांदतात नाजाल्यार इट कम्स टू द ट्रेडिशनल पीपल एंड ऑफ द डे सो दॅट यू नो दे कवर अप वॉट दे हॅव डन तुमकां दिसता की हे रापणकार किंवा हे लोकला खातीर चालू आसा जे कितें आतां ही इलिगॅलिटीज आमी चोयता ती
No, absolutely no. हे लोकला पासत कितें न्हू दे आर युजींग दिस वन टॅक्टिक्स ह्यो तेज्यो टॅक्टिक्स ह्यो लोकलां पासत रापणकारां पासत रोड करतात इतल्या वर्सां तुमी रोड करपाक खूंय आहले मुगे ग्रँडफादर मोन गेलो म्हजे पायी मोन गेलो आनी आतां म्हाका 36 years म्हजे कडेन होच लायफ जाला आसलें कोण नाका कोण केदो मरत तो बट आतां कित्याक रोडू आतां कित्याक तुमकां आसलें रोड करपाक रापणकारां पासत शेत रोवपा हेज्या पयलीं कोण शेत रोयना आहले घरा मुखार शेतांय ती विकून दिल्लीकारांक दिलाय फॉर अ गुड प्रायस आनी आतां ती शेत पयस रोवपाचो द मोटीव इज टोटली आनी कितें तेंचें कोणा तेजो अजेंडा इतलो हिडन आसा की डिफरंटली इट इज नॉट अबाउट फार्मींग शेत रोवपाचें वो फिशींग करपाचें हें कांयच ना हेजो मोटीव डिफरंट आहा
आमच्या बरोबर आता आसा केळशे गांवचे पंच आयरिश बाब येवकार तुमकां आयरिश बाब जनरली आमी पळयतात की आतां दर्यादेगेर आमकां खूब इनलिगॅलिटीज दिसतात बरेचशे प्रोजेक्ट तांकां सारकी परमिशनां सुद्दां ना आनी एकंदर ब्लेम पंचायतीचेर सदांच येता की पंचायत कितें करता सो तुमकां दिसता की आमचे पंचायत सारकें काम करना ती न्हिदल्या काय जागी आसा
See, before going to the panchayat, तुका मातशें पयली म्हायती दिता.
हय.
आमचे एक ग्रुप आसलो जेन्ना पंचायत फंक्शन कोण आसले आमी काबलेसी विलेजेस फॉरम एक ग्रुप केल्लो and we have fought lot of cases and all cases we won. आणि आता ह्यो केसीस जाल्यो कित्याक बिकॉज ऑफ इलिगलिटीज पंचायत
बरोबर
पंचायतान कितें एक्शन गेला न्हू दॅट आर ऑल इलिगल परमिशन दिवप नो एक्शन इज नॉट टेकन हेका लागून आमी ग्रुप केलो आनी ग्रुप कोण आमी जायत्यो केसी जोडल्यो आनी नाल्यार आज केळशी वूड हॅव बीन अनदर नॉर्थ इतले दॅट इज वॉट आज एक आतां एक प्रोजेक्टाचें सांगतो एक बालाजी म्हणलो प्रोजेक्ट आहा लास्ट 14 years from 2010 it started today is 26 तो प्रोजेक्ट आज बंद आहा they have did some construction continuously we went to NGT high court supreme court we again came back to SZ अशें जालें ते पूण आज बंद आहा तो because there are illegalities so it is not fully cleared that's why it is and I have put a complaint see I resigned from the forum in 2022 and त्याच हाटल्यान आनी कोण येयले आनी ते they could not manage and that forum is gone but issue is in spite of that since that issue I was fighting I filed further complaint individually to GCZM and that matter is still going on
okay
so and that project is not started as that
okay
so हे कितें सांगू सोदता हांव these are all illegalities done by the panchayat आता पंचायतान तरी तुका लिगलिटी कोता येतो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एज अ पंच कोण येता न्हू ही शूड हॅव अ गुड कॉन्शियन्स ही शूड हॅव अ रायट अप्रोच नॉट इलिगलिटी पयशे मेळटा नाव ऑल दीस केसीस वे आय हॅव फॉट एंड वन एंड still pending how much money they have offered to me crores not lakhs they offered to me in crores I say help with you
See, we don't say we don't want development. Nakesh Munai, it should be sustainable development. Sustainable mutai. So ogle NOCs atai. Ankit kota ek project येता न्हू शीट माताय ओल्डली शिटां सो भितो कितें चलता पेपराचेर डिफरंट दिला भितो आख्या कोताय डिफरंट मागीर कितें जाता बारीक मनीस आहा तो कोर्टां वचोन 50-60 हजार 1 लाख कोर्टां वचोन झगडो पडा झगडो बेगीन जायना मॅडम तू खबर आहा 3 वर्सां 5 वर्सां लागता ते तो म्हणल्यार ते आपणें जोड काडाय हें कोणा पळोवन गेलें ना सो हेचो इंटरेस्ट डिफरंट आहा सारको बिकॉज ऑथॉरिटीज आर सो करप्ट आय कॅन से आनी आम बारीक मनशान वचपाचें कायदो हातीन घेवपा पडलो मागीर हातीन गेलो म्हणटकीर कंप्लेन करता पुलीस तुका अरेस्ट करता
लास्ट पंचायत अशें जालें CZMP प्लॅन येयलो CZMP प्लॅन तातूंत 5 कोण आसले तेमी I never went for the so-called discussion what was going on. They had 11 sittings.
Okay.
And in the bargain, they have removed one big water body to the extent 22,825 square meter water body
Okay.
is removed from the plan.
Right.
And this plan was made by the punches, signed by the punches.
Yeah.
See,
So this is brazenly चालू असा की
this is
ऑलरेडी एक्झिस्टिंग आमचे सोयम आसा
I went and asked GCMA saying, no, your panchayat has given. Are what you people are doing? If panchayat is doing everything, then why you are sitting here?
Right.
Your expert member came, WRD expert members came. They have taken all those readings. And how you are saying in a fine day the water body is disappearing from the and that is a Khazan lane. Is a Khazan lane water body is removed from the plan. Survey number is 150/4. That and it is a clear Khazan lane, and there were no structures. They have even shown the structures.
Okay.
And this is gone to the CRZ. CRZ has cleared, and now it is showing. What is this? What is going on in and what happened? This is a serious commission done by the panchayat. The panch kon ahle te hisal jai to. No, we were not expert members. You are not expert members. You first of all, if you are not expert to know what is going on, such a 22,000 square meter area that it is disappearing from the plan, and you are not knowing, and blindly you are signing. That means what kind of punches we have?
Now, a lot of people ask why are these sand dunes important and why is CRZ protecting it so much? Sand dune falls as CRZ1 and it's a place where you cannot do any development, you can't do anything on it. And why is it important? Now, these sand dunes have formed over hundreds, thousands of years, and they are our last barrier against the rising sea levels. Whenever there have been cases where the sand dunes have been destroyed, pausa disa, when the water rises up, that water actually comes further in and it erodes our coast. Now, you and I, at least I personally like to play on the beach. We used to go when we were younger, we used to go to play football on the beach. If we keep breaking our sand dunes, we're not going to have a beach left. And then just like Bombay and all, we're going to have only those concrete tetrahedroids which are going to be put on the beach, and beach won't exist. It's not just a hill of sand. A sand dune is not just a hill of sand, it's an ecosystem on its own. Even over here, if you can see all this vegetation that has grown on it, most of it grows only on the sand dunes, including these bushes which you see here. These become nice like tumbleweed, so they dry up and then they roll on the beach. These also help protect our sand dunes and help them stay sturdy. People very often, they remove all this and it weakens the dune even then. I've spoken to even once one marine biologist, and he told me that if a sand dune is left untouched, after it's damaged, if it's left untouched, it can form within a decade or two if we let all this vegetation grow again. So it's very important that we protect our sand dunes because they protect us.
आम्ही सध्या असा वार्का बिचार आणि तुम्ही पळोवपाक शकता की वार्का बीच आणि जय आम्ही रावल्या ते कितले लागीं आसा ही एरिया. हांगा फाटल्यान जर तुमकां दिसता जाल्यार हांगा एक व्हडलो प्रोजेक्ट येता आणि ह्या प्रोजेक्टाक लोकलांनी अपोज केल्ले आणि सध्या आनीक थोडी परमिशन्स घेवपा खातीर वेगवेगळ्या ऑथॉरिटी कडेन हे प्रोजेक्ट जे बांदतात ते गेल्ले आसात. जाणून घेऊया एक्झॅक्टली हो प्रोजेक्ट कितें आणि ह्या प्रोजेक्टाक हांगचे लोकल्स कित्याक अपोज करतात. ते आमचे बरोबर सोहेल परत आसा. सोहेल, एक्झॅक्टली कितें हो प्रोजेक्ट आणि वाय डीड यू अपोज दिस?
एक्चुअली वो प्रोजेक्ट इट इज रहेजास तेम एक रिसॉर्ट काडपा सोदता हांगा आमगे वार्का गांवांत. शाले हॉटेल्स कितें तरी नांव आहा तेंगे. आनी आमगे वार्का गांवांत सद्या आतां 9 रिसॉर्ट्स आहाय which are operating and running. And as I mentioned before, आमकां कांय फायदे मेळना ह्या रिसॉर्टाचे. But what we do get is a lot of troubles. We have sewage issues that we face. Our village is facing water shortages. आमगे लोकांक उदक मेळना. Piped water, PWD water तांकां मेळना. आनी मेळट जाल्यार ते प्रेशर ना. तेंगे टँक भरपा प्रेशर ना. मागीर electricity issues आहा. Time and again, every day at least 5 times we lose electricity. So this way we know that our village's capacity has gone. So why do we need another resort over here? At the side there's already a Mahindra resort, Zuri resort, so many resorts as I mentioned. Another resort that comes here, it's only going to cause us issues. And right now there's no access also. I brought you all here, you all will have experienced what it was like coming. All those roads, they are not even 3 meters wide. If they start bringing in more tourists over here, how are the people going to handle it? How are the locals going to handle it? Locals are going to suffer. And I keep saying also, just because you put more resorts doesn't mean more tourists are going to come, right? In North Goa, there are so many resorts. I think there are more resorts in North Goa than South Goa. Toripon now tourists are coming to South. Why? Lok Goya kite येता? Or सगळे concrete jungle popa येना तेमी. That they get in their own areas in the city and everything. They come here to see our natural beauty. गोंयचो natural beauty, आमचो culture, ते पोवपा येता. समज आम सगळे हिंग construction घाता जाल्यार we are destroying our own golden goose. We are destroying our own tourism industry. So for all those reasons, including valid legal reasons of not having the capacity to handle such a big resort, we the locals have started opposing this.
जशें तुम्ही पळयतात हांगा फाटल्यान तुमकां झाडां दिसतात, ही फूल ग्रीनरी दिसता, एक खुरीश आसा थंय. आनी जशें हांवें म्हळें की कितले लागीं आसा, म्हणजे आतां आमकां हें पळोवपाक खूब सुंदर दिसता. दिस लुक्स लायक अ नेचर. आनी लोक जशें शोयलान म्हळें की लोक हांगा हें सगळें पळोवपाक येता. जस्ट इमॅजीन की हो प्रोजेक्ट हाका जर अप्रुवल्स मेळ्ळी जाल्यार हो प्रोजेक्ट कॉन्क्रिटाचो प्रोजेक्ट हांगा येतलो. आनी हें जें कितें तुमकां आतां दिसता तें मागीर दिसचें ना. हांगा फक्त एक बिल्डींग आसतली, एक रिसॉर्ट आसतलो आनी तो कितलोय सुंदर करपाचो जरी प्रयत्न केलो तरी ही नॅचरल ब्युटी जी आता आसा, अँड दीज आर सम ऑफ द रेअरेस्ट ऑफ रेअर प्लांट्स दॅट यू सी. म्हणजे हांव शोयल उलयताली की हे जे फ्रूट ह्या झाडाक आसा ते आमकांय खबर ना की एक्झॅक्टली ते कितें. सो दीज आर व्हेरी रेअर थिंग्स दॅट आर देर फॉर इयर्स टुगेदर. म्हणजे कितलीशींच वर्सां हे हांगा आसा आनी हे काडून, हे उडोवन, हे डिस्ट्रॉय करून हे प्रोजेक्ट हांगा हाडपाचो प्रयत्न चल्ला. शोयल, वन थिंग इज वी हॅव हर्ड locals asking for lot of studies for carrying capacity. तुम्ही परत पंचायती कडेन मागता, and there are very interesting things that are coming to fore. की instead of panchayats taking cognizance of what you are demanding, localsank कितें जाय, हांगच्या लोकांक कितें जाय हाजो विचार करच्या परस पंचायत्स आर फायंडिंग मोर वेज टू ब्रिंग इन इलिगॅलिटीज. सो आय जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू पॉइंट आउट की कशे तरेन पंचायत आपलेच रुल्स मोडून तुम्ही जे मागतात ताच्या एक्झॅक्टली अगेन्स्ट करपाक लागले.